How to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once. Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to find out if it is possible or not. So let's just get started. First of all, head over and go to your profile once you are in your Instagram. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner and you will be accessing your profile here. Now you can go to the following section at the top, tap on the following tab from your profile, and there you will be viewing all of your following right in this section. So if you're looking for an unfollow all button on Instagram, we do not have that option yet. So if you'd like to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once, the only method possible is manually unfollowing accounts one by one, or you can use the option right here. We can tap on this arrow icon, and when you do, we can sort it out by list interacted with, or latest, earliest, etc. You can even go to follower tab for that. So you can just go and look out for the person you think you do not want to follow them anymore. So if you'd like to unfollow them, what you need to do is, once you are here, you can tap on the three dot right beside each profile, tap on it, and when you do, you will be finding a menu up here. Tap on unfollow, and when you do, you will be finding that particular account being unfollowed. If you'd like to unfollow a account, you can even go to their profile, and once you head over their profile, you can find the following button. Tap on it, and when you do, you will be finding an unfollow button. You can tap on it, and after tapping on it, that particular account will be unfollowed. So Instagram intentionally does not have unfollow everyone at once to prevent bot-like activity. There are limits on how many accounts you can follow, and exceeding these limits can result in temporary action restrictions or bans. So if you'd also like to unfollow everyone on Instagram at once, it is not possible yet, but you can follow up this workarounds. So that's it for today's video. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.